Hey viewers! Welcome to my channel. Today's project is how to crochet this beautiful scarf pattern. This pattern is easy to crochet, but it looks so beautiful. This pattern is different and easy from other patterns because it has been worked along the length, not along the width. Okay, let's start. Firstly, make chain having length 40 inches. Make double crochet at the 4th stitch. Throughout the row 1, make double crochet at each chain stitch. Second row, start from 3 chain, then make 1 double crochet. Make chain 1. Skip 1 chain. Make double crochet. Follow this pattern at the end of second row. At the start and at the end of second row, make 2 double crochet. Third row, start from 3 chain. Make double crochet at the each chain. Fourth row starts from the single crochet at the closed stitch. Make single crochet at the each chain throughout the fourth row. Fifth row starts from 3 chain. Then make 3 double crochet, then combine all 3 double crochet. It looks like triangle. Make 5 chain and again make 3 double crochet at the next 3 stitches. Follow this pattern and complete the 5th row. Sixth row starts from 3 chains, then make 1 double crochet. Make 2 chains and attach to the middle of 5 chain of 5th row. Then make 5 chains and attach to the middle of chains of 5th row. At the end of 6th row make 2 chain and then make 2 double crochet at the last 2 stitches. 7th row starts from 3 chains. Then make 2 double crochet at the same stitch. Make chain 1, then make 3 double crochet at the 3rd stitch of chains of 6th row. Eighth row starts, make single crochet at the closed stitch and then make single crochet at the each chain throughout the 8th row. Ninth row starts from the 3 chain and then make double crochet at the each chain. From here design will repeat. 10th row is similar to 2nd row, then 3rd, 4th, 5th and so on. You will repeat it according to your desired width. Now we will make single crochet at the width edges of scarf to give it straight and finished look. It looks like this. Viewers, if you like this project, please subscribe my channel. Now we will make pom-pom for scarf to make it more stylish. If you want to make more fluffy pom-pom, you have to take more wool whorls. You have to bind it tightly at the middle. Viewers, if you like this project, please subscribe my channel.